Hello viewers, a warm welcome to part 5 of React.js series. As a pre-context, I am saying that I am not going deeply into the topic. I am just briefly introducing each topic. You can take it as a quick revision, and you can also consider it as a mind map for you. And let's go into it. We will see some main concepts about react router. In this react router, uh, we have one library, that is react router dom. Before going into this react router, we have react router dom. React router dom, it is a powerful library. Which implements routing in the React application. Yes, which implements the routing in a React application. We can install this React router DOM in our JS program, in our React JS program. Then we will use some tags. With that, we can implement the routing in our application. With the help of routing, we can say the rendering will be decreased. That means we can render between pages with this help of routes, just like when we click on a particular navigation bar, we will create a navigation bar. In that we will have different pages. When we click on it, we can see the content within page. So it is really a helpful one. We have some terms like routing, a route, it is a path. Generally routing which will be implemented to decrease the re-rendering or pages. Mostly when we have more pages, routing is a necessary concept for us. We will create a nav bar. In that we will implement this routing, and after that we can easily switch between the pages. After that we have some tags which will be used in this routing process. We have browser router, and we have routes. Then we have route. These are all tags which will be helpful in implementing the routing. After that we have some concepts called nav link, and then we have nested routing, just like routing in routing. That means one routing will be in another routing. And we have protected route. Protected route is nothing but the routing will be implemented with help of authentication and authorization. Mostly authentication. That means only verified users only can use the application. For that only protected route concept. Then we have concept called React forms. Just like why we use the forms in HTML, to take the input from the user. Just like they are the methods of taking user input in programming. Yes, forms are the methods of taking user input in programming. And we have some terms like controlled components, and we have uncontrolled components. Yes, we have some concepts like this. We will see about this controlled components and uncontrolled components. Controlled components is nothing but whenever we are managing the value of input fields by using states in the form, that those are nothing but controlled components. Uncontrolled components are nothing but when we are not managing the values of the input fields by using states in a form. I will write each of one. When a component is managing the value of the input fields by using states in a form. So you can say by using states of React as well. So here form means it will come in HTML as well. Uncontrolled component means when a component is not managing the value of the input fields by using states of React in a form. We can simply say like if we are managing the user inputs of a form by using states, it is nothing but controlled components. When we are not bothering about the user inputs of a form, by using states, if we are not bothering about or not managing the values of user inputs in a form, then we can say it is uncontrolled component. For both of these, for to control this or to manage the values, we will use the states, React states, to manage this user inputs in a form. It is better to write here again. So the definition, controlled component, yes, it is better. Controlled components, and here uncontrolled components. Yes, it is good. Can without confusion you can see the both the definitions. So here we complete this part 5. In this we have seen some main concepts like React router and about React forms. So React router, it is useful for switching pages in the program, or web application. While we are running web application, React router will be used in switching between the pages. It is good. After that, React forms, React router we have seen in this part. We will see more in part 6. Thank you.